Hi everyone, this is Ann. Today I have a quick tip for you on toning blonde, brassy hair. And most of us at some point or another have heard from a hairstylist that we should use purple shampoo to tone blonde, highlighted, natural, or color-treated hair when it gets brassy. And if you do a Google search for shampoo for brassy hair, you'll find purple shampoo is all over the search results page. But purple shampoo actually counteracts yellow tones in the hair, not the orange brassy tones. So if we look at a color wheel, the opposite of purple is yellow, and those are the tones that the purple shampoo counteracts and tones. And then the opposite of blue would be orange, and so you want to use a blue shampoo if you have orange brassiness to your hair, and then if you have the real yellow brassy tones, then you want to use a purple shampoo. I switched from purple shampoo to blue shampoo a few months ago and have really liked the results of it. My hair, when it would get brassy, it would tend to pull more of the orangey undertones. And so using a blue shampoo really has helped to just brighten my hair and give it more of a natural blonde. The purple shampoo, if you have more of the yellow tones to your hair, that one will work great. And the purple shampoo also gives a cooler, more ashy tone to your hair, whereas the blue gives more of a natural, light blonde with a little bit of warmth to your hair. And I've tried a few shampoos over the last few months that are blue. By far my favorite is by Joico, and this is just their blue shampoo. I'll go ahead and put links to this shampoo down beneath the video in the description box in case you want to read more about the shampoo or do some price comparisons. I hope you found this video helpful in figuring out which color shampoo you need to tone blonde hair. If you know of anyone who might enjoy this video, please feel free to share it with them. And as always, I would love it if you would like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you so much for watching.